Apple has officially unveiled the iPhone 16e, previously anticipated as the iPhone SE 4, introducing significant enhancements to its budget-friendly lineup. The iPhone SE 4, also known as the iPhone 16e, marks a significant shift in Apple's design approach for its budget-friendly lineup. Departing from the traditional home button and thick bezels, this model adopts a design reminiscent of the iPhone 14. The device boasts a matte glass back and an aluminum frame, providing a premium feel while ensuring durability. With its sleek, modern aesthetics and robust build quality, the iPhone SE 4 aligns closely with Apple's flagship models, delivering both style and substance in a more affordable package. The iPhone SE 4 features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. While it offers a modern edge-to-edge design, the display maintains a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is standard but less fluid compared to higher refresh rate screens. The screen provides a peak brightness of 1200 nits, ensuring good visibility even in bright environments. Notably, the device incorporates a notch housing the front camera and Face ID sensors, aligning with contemporary iPhone aesthetics. Overall, the iPhone SE 4's display offers a substantial upgrade over previous SE models, delivering a high-quality viewing experience in a budget-friendly package. The iPhone SE 4 is powered by Apple's latest A16 Bionic Chip, delivering a significant performance boost over its predecessors. The A18 features a 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, offering up to a 30% increase in CPU performance compared to the A16 Bionic. The integrated 5-core GPU provides up to a 40% enhancement in graphics performance, supporting hardware-accelerated ray tracing for more realistic visuals. Additionally, the 16-core neural engine is capable of performing 35 trillion operations per second, doubling the machine learning speed over the previous generation. This robust hardware configuration ensures that the iPhone SE 4 handles multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven applications with remarkable efficiency and responsiveness. The iPhone SE 4, also known as the iPhone 16e, features a single 48MP rear camera, a significant upgrade from its predecessor's 12MP sensor. This enhancement promises improved image quality, with better detail and color accuracy. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature a 12MP front-facing camera, similar to previous models. While this may seem modest compared to higher-end iPhones, Apple's integration of the A18 Bionic Chip enhances image processing capabilities, leading to improved photo quality. The iPhone SE 4 is equipped with 8GB of RAM, a significant upgrade from the previous generation's 4GB, ensuring smoother multitasking and enhanced performance. The base model offers 128GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, photos, and media. Additional storage options include 256GB and 512GB variants, catering to users with greater storage needs. The iPhone SE 4 offers a notable improvement in battery life compared to its predecessors. Equipped with a 3279 mAh battery, it surpasses the previous generation's 2018 mAh capacity by over 60%, providing extended usage time. Apple claims the device supports up to 26 hours of video playback, positioning it favorably among 6.1-inch iPhones. The integration of the A18 Bionic chip enhances power efficiency, contributing to longer battery endurance. Charging options include 20W wired charging, achieving a 50% charge in approximately 30 minutes, and 7.5W Qi wireless charging. However, the device lacks MagSafe support, which may be a consideration for users seeking faster wireless charging solutions. The iPhone SE 4 runs on iOS 18, delivering a seamless and responsive user experience. Pros: powerful A18 Bionic chip for smooth performance. 6.1-inch OLED display for better visuals. 48MP rear camera upgrade for improved photography. Bigger battery for longer usage. iOS 18 with Apple Intelligence features. Cons: single rear camera, no ultra-wide or telephoto. 60 Hz refresh rate, no promotion. No MagSafe support. No USB-C, still using Lightning. Conclusion: the iPhone SE 4 is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, bringing a modern design, a larger 6.1-inch OLED display, and a powerful A18 Bionic chip. Its 48MP camera, improved battery life, and iOS 18 with AI features make it a compelling choice for those wanting a budget-friendly iPhone with flagship-level performance.